Hey guys, Pat1979 here. Gonna read to you guys today a first look slash unboxing of the Golabs R300 power station. So this is a lithium iron phosphate battery, portable power station. So this is something that's gonna be lasting way longer than lithium ion, and it's gonna be more dependable. So I'm really glad more companies are coming out with lithium iron phosphate for technology. So let me just show you guys the side of the box here, and we can see some specs there. So let me zoom in a little bit for you guys, and then you can see how many charge you can get for tablets, for drones, for lights 75 plus hours, cameras, smartphone, and laptop. So guys, this thing I've been wanting to get into solar power generator for a little bit now, and I would like to thank Golab first of all for sending me this for review. So I really appreciate it. So Golab, thanks again for sending this for review. Link is going to be in the description to the Amazon webpage where you can buy this, guys. And I just want to say before I start unboxing that this thing is on sale right now. They have like $120 coupon off. So Canadian, you're gonna pay $280 for this right now. So at the moment of this video, price are gonna change, of course. So take it with a grain of salt. But this is really affordable, more affordable than Jackery's and other brands. So let me just unbox this real quick. Let me cut up the seals. My super sharp knife that I sharpen with the Work Sharp. Precision adjust. Let me just take that one off here. Click. All right. Let's see what's in the box, guys. So I am just gonna take everything out and just lay it on the table. So I got the manual instruction. Golab surprise, that's gonna be interesting. So am I in the frame? Yep. All right, so put that on the side here. So right here I have some probably charging cables. Another box. Wow, the guys, I gotta show you guys this. So this thing is well packaged. I mean, there's foam everywhere. Give me 30 seconds. And look at that, guys. There's some foam, some nice thick foam everywhere. So this thing is well protected. So in shipping, this is going to be perfect. There's not going to be anything though. So let me take this out of the box. Let me put the box on the side here. Take off this, take off that. And let's take that out of the packaging. Alright guys, this is the power station itself. So let me show you what's in those little boxes, probably power supplies and stuff. So you have your instruction manual, of course. So this is there's an MC4 cable for charging solar. So this is MC4 cable. So this is for charging solar. There's also a car charging adapter. And I'm guessing this is the... Yep, there's a small power supply to plug it directly in the wall and to be able to charge it like so. So that on the side here. So, and this here, so there's a 12 volt adapter that you can charge, recharges with the 12 volt adapter. So there's a lot of adapters coming with this thing, guys. So this is nice, lots of adapter here. So a little power supply, so you can charge that with, so directly plugged into power. So let me take that out of the package. So nice little power supply that comes in. I don't know how long it's going to take to charge, guys. This is going to be in a future video. I'm going to do capacity testing on this thing, and I'm going to do everything else. So let me get a little bit closer to the power supply itself. So let me zoom in like that, and let's see. So I'm going to power it on just to see how much power there is. So I'm guessing I'm letting my fingers on. So right now I'm 80%. So this says 99 hours, 0 watts, so 79%. So guys, this thing, they say in the Amazon webpage to discharge this completely before recharging it. So guys, this is something that I'm gonna have to watch in the manual and just make sure that I go through all the steps to ensure that this is working great. But let's take a quick look at the ports that we have. We have a lot of ports, guys, a lot of ports on here. So you have your 12-volt cigarette lighter plug. You get two other 12 volts barrel connectors that you can plug in here. Don't know which size. This is going to be in the review, guys, and I'm going to say this. This is just a quick first look. So you get some QC 3.0 charging port for USB. So you have two of those. You have a 30 power delivery port. So USB Type-C power delivery port, 30 watts. And you have a 60 watts, guys, power delivery input and output. So you can recharge with this for your power delivery. So you can recharge this device using a USB Type-C cable also. So you have two over here. You have two pure sine wave inverter, 110 volts, 300 watts. So pure sine waves. So guys, this thing has an MPPT controller in there. There's a lot of nice stuff. So guys, this is gonna be really nice, guys. So 70%. So you guys can see this thing is dropping just by being on. So I'm gonna have to you know, look at the manual, discharge this, and recharge it. So, but yeah, guys, for everything that comes with solar charger, car charger, another little 12 volt that you can plug in from the barrel connector right there. So you get an AC charger. Everything that comes with this, guys, is really nice. So for the money, for the price, guys, everything is really nice, guys. So let me turn on the DC and see what happens. Do I need to let my finger on there? So that doesn't say USB on off. Let me see. All right, so I just need to press it. I don't need to long press it. So now it says USB. Let me zoom into you guys. So right here it says USB. When I just press that on and off, press that on and off for DC, and just press that on and off for AC. So it's only for the power that I need to let my fingers on for a little bit, guys. So like I said, guys, I am gonna play with this. I am gonna learn on the manual just how to discharge it and recharge it properly. And in the future, I'm gonna do some capacity testing to be able to show you guys how much capacity this battery actually have, because this is supposed to be 299 watt hour, which I don't think there's gonna be any issue on that. So guys, for the money right now, I haven't tested it yet. I haven't played with it. This is going to be in future videos, which I'm going to do a series of tests, and I'm going to test this out. But for the price right now at 280 bucks, this is crazy. For something you can charge solar via your car, via everything, and it gives you two ports, 300 watts of power, 60 watts power delivery input and output, 30 watts power delivery port, and two USB QC30 charging, and a couple of 12 volt charging option also, guys. So for the money, guys, this is looking really interesting, and I'm gonna test it out for the next few weeks and just really put it through its paces to see if it's something that's worth your money or not. So guys, I would like to thank Golab again for sending me this unit for review. I'm just going to show you guys on the back here, 299 watt hour. So you guys can pause the video if you want to see more details, but you can see everything you can see here in the Amazon page. So there's also some little rubber feet on the bottom so that doesn't slip, so that's nice. All right, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this little preview video on the Golabs R300 power station, so that you can recharge via solar. So if you guys enjoyed this little preview video, just give it a thumbs up. That's always appreciated. I'll catch you guys on the next one.